Oke,
Oke,
Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
So
So
today I
today
want to talk
I
I want to
want to
explain
explain
about
about
TYL or
TYL or
teaching
teaching
English to
English to
young
young
learners.
learners.
Uh,
Um,
Title is
Title is
How to
How
Teach
to Teach
English to Young
English to Young
Learners.
Learners.
Here
Here
the
the
oh I mean next slide.
next slide.
So
So
I'm so sorry.
I'm so
Wait.
sorry. Wait.
Today
Today
discussion
discussion
is
is
who
who
are
are
young
young
learners,
learners,
how
how
children
children
learn,
learn,
principle
principle
of
of
TYL,
TYL,
process
process
and
and
teaching
teaching
method,
method,
and
and then
then game,
game,
song,
song,
stories,
stories,
and
and
then the
then
last one is
last is
issues of
issues of
TYL in
TYL in
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Next
Next
slide
slide
is
is
wait, who are
who are
young
young
learners?
learners.
So
So
young
young
learners
learners
are
are
children
children
between
between
5
5
and
and
12
12
years
years
old.
old.
They
They
are
are
different from
different from
adults,
adults,
like
like
because
because
this
this
learn
learn
they are
they are
learned by
learned by
doing,
doing,
have a
have a
short
short
attention
attention
span,
span,
and
and
then
then
curious and
curious and
imaginative,
imaginative,
love
love
playing and
playing and
exploring,
exploring,
enjoy
enjoy
colorful
colorful
pictures
pictures
and
and
visual,
visual,
learn
learn
better
better
in a
in
happy and
happy
safe
and safe
environment,
environment,
and
and
then need
then need
encouragement
encouragement
and positive
and
feedback.
positive
Because
feedback.
of this characteristic, teachers should
Because
make
of this
learning
characteristic,
fun
teachers
and
should
meaningful.
make
So
learning
that's
fun and
why
meaningful. So that's
this
why this
TYL is
TYL
should
is should
student like
student like
me is
me is
study
study
TYL, because
TYL, because
children is
children is
have
have
different
different
strategies
strategies
method
method
to
to
teaching them.
teaching them.
And then
And then
next
next
is
is
how
how
children
children
learn.
learn.
Um,
Um,
how
how
children learn
children learn
in
in
English.
English.
Um,
Um,
they
they
are
are
listening,
listening,
watching,
watching,
repeating,
repeating,
playing,
playing,
interacting with
interacting with
others,
others,
and
and
practicing
practicing
every
every
day.
day.
Different
Different
children
children
also
also learn
learn in
in
different
different
ways.
ways.
Some
Some
students
students
learn quickly, and
and
while
while
others
others
need
need
more
more
time
time
to
to
understand.
understand,
And
and
then
then
some
some
are
are
very
very
active
active
while the
while the
others are
others are
quiet.
quiet.
Some
Some
students
students
may
may
also
also
have
have
special
special
educational
educational
need.
need
As a
as a
teacher,
teacher.
I
I
think
think
we should
we
be
be
patient
patient
and
and
support
support
every
every
learners
learners
mm,
mm,
to
to
give
give
their
their
change
change
to
to
adapt,
adapt,
and then
and
give
then give
activities
activities
that
that
match
match
their
their ability.
abilities. Don't
Don't
make
make
the
the, the
activities is too
activities
hard
is
for
too
them.
hard for them.
So next
So
slide
next
is
slide is
principle of
principle of
TYL.
TYL.
Here,
Here,
there is four
there is
main
four main
principle.
principle.
The first
The
one
first one
is
is
learner-centered
learner-centered
learning.
learning.
This means
This means
the focus
the
is
focus is
on the
on
student,
the
not
student,
teacher.
not teachers.
Students should
Students
be
should be
active by
active by
asking questions,
asking questions,
playing
playing
games,
games,
working in group,
and group
and
and
participating
participating
in
and
English.
English,
And the teacher
and the teacher
becomes a
becomes a
guide
guide
instead
instead
of
of
only
only
giving
giving
explanation,
explanation,
because
because
the young
young
learners
learners
is
is
easy to get
easy to get
boring.
boring.
And then next is
is
implicit
implicit
learning. Young
learning. Young
learners
learners
learn
learn
um,
um,
grammar
grammar
naturally
naturally
instead of
instead of
explaining grammar
explaining grammar
rules.
rules.
So
So
teachers
teachers
provide
provide
many
many
examples
examples
through
through song,
song, conversation,
conversation,
and then
and then
stories.
stories.
Children
Children
will
will
understand the
understand the
language
language
little by
little by
little.
little.
So
So
next
next
is
is
contextual
contextual
learning.
learning.
So
So
here
here
is
is
um for
for
contextual
contextual
learning
learning is
um
um,
English
English
should
should
be
be
connect
connect
to
to
children's
children's
daily
daily
lives.
lives.
And for
And for
example,
example,
when
when
teaching
teaching
vocabulary
vocabulary
about
about
food,
food,
the teacher can
teacher
use
can
real
use real
traits
phrase
or
or
pictures
pictures
from
from
the classroom. So
classroom. So
this
this
mean
means um,
the what
the
the
what
learning
the
is
learning is
relate to
relate to
their
their
daily.
daily.
So this more
This more
meaningful for them.
meaningful for them.
And the next
And the
is
next
authentic
is authentic
learning.
learning.
For a
For a
student should
student
use
should use
English for real
English for real
communication.
communication.
For example,
For
greeting
example,
friends,
greeting friends,
introducing
introducing
themselves,
themselves,
asking
asking
simple question,
simple
and
question,
or
and or
talking about their
talking about
family.
their family.
This help
This
children
helps children
understand
understand
that
what
um
um
that English
that
is
English is
useful and
useful and
in daily
every
life.
day in their life.
So next
So
slide
next
is
slide is
next slide
next slide
is
is
teaching method
teaching method
TYL.
URL.
Teaching method in TYL is really
URL is really
many, and
many,
here I want
and
to
here I want to
um
um
explain
explain
the
the
first
first
one
one
is
is
TPR, total
TPR,
physical response by
total physical
James
response by
Esser.
James
So in
Esser.
TPR
So in
learning,
TPR learning,
children learn by
children
listening
learn
and
by
moving. For
listening, moving. For
example, the
example,
teacher
the teacher
say
say
stand up,
stand
and
up,
then
and then
the learners is stand
the
up.
learners is stand up.
So
So
when the teacher
when
say
the
touch
teacher
your
say
nose,
touch
and
your nose,
then the
and then the
learners is
learners is
touch their nose,
their nose,
cause
cause
this
this
really
really
good for
good for
their
their
learning, because
learning, because
young learners
young
is like
learners is like
to
to
what
what
doing
doing
movement,
movement,
and this method
and this
makes
method makes
learning active
learning
and
active and
enjoyable.
enjoyable.
So next is
Next is
CLT, or
CLT, or
communicative
communicative
language
language
teaching.
teaching.
This
This
method
method
focus on
focus on
communicative.
communicative.
Student
Student
practice
practice
English
English
through fair
through fair
work,
work,
role
role
plays,
plays,
and simple
and simple
conversation.
conversation.
So
So
their confidence
their confidence
will
will
grow.
grow.
No. The goal
The
is
goal is
help
help
children use
children
English
use English
confidently.
confidently.
So next
So
one
next one
is
is
here
here
task-based
task-based
learning.
learning.
In this method,
Method
students learn
student learn
English
English
while
while
completing
completing
meaningful
meaningful
tasks. For
tasks. For
example,
example,
making a
making a
poster,
poster,
describing animals, drawing a house, or
describing
solving a simple problem
animals,
together. So the children
a
learn
simple problem
language
together.
while
So the children learn language
doing
while
something interesting.
doing something interesting.
So next one is
So next one is
teaching. Wait.
wait
Teaching the four skills.
Teaching the
The
four
first one is
skills.
listening.
The first one is listening.
Teacher can
Teacher
give the
can
learners like
give the
song,
learners
short
like
videos,
songs, short
stories,
videos,
simple
stories, simple
instruction,
instruction,
and then
and
the
then
learners
the
is like
learners is
doing many
like doing many
activities.
activities.
Children listen
Children listen
first, then
first,
answer
then
easy
answer
question.
easy question.
So next
So next
is
is
speaking.
speaking.
Speaking
Speaking
skills.
skills.
Teachers
Teachers
encourage
encourage
students to
students to
speak,
speak,
joke,
joke,
greeting, role
greeting, role
plays,
plays,
fireworks,
fireworks,
and
and
classroom
classroom
conversation.
conversation.
So the goal
So the goal
is
is
confidence, not
confidence,
perfect
not perfect
grammar.
grammar.
The
The
important
important
is
is
we
we
have to
have to
build their
build their
confidence.
confidence.
No,
No,
it's okay when the
okay
grammar
when the
is
grammar
wrong.
is
The important
the
is
important is
they want
they
to
want to
talk twice. So
so
next is
next is
reading.
reading.
Pictures.
Pictures
Teachers
teachers
begin with
begin with
simple words,
simple words,
helpful
helpful
pictures,
pictures,
and short
and short
storybook.
storybook.
Reading
Reading
activities should be
activities should be
interesting and
interesting
easy to
and easy to
understand
understand
when the
when the
teacher
teacher
is
is
had
had
some,
some,
like when I
when I
said the
said
couple
the couple
pictures and so
pictures and short
storybooks.
storybooks.
The learners
The
is
learners is
like
like
their thing,
their
that
thing.
thing. So next
So
is
next is
writing.
writing.
Writing
Writing
start
start
with
with
stretching
stretching
letters
letters
and then
and then
copying
copying
words
words
like
like
apple, and then the
apple, and then the
student make
student
an
make an
apple.
apple.
So next
So
is
next
make
is
short
make
sentence
short
like
sentence like
I love
I
my
love
mom.
my
Next,
mom.
the
Next,
student
the
is
student
should
is should
write
write
in the
in
book
the
on
book on
in front of the
in front of
class
the
is I
class is
love
I
my
love
mom,
my
like
mom.
that.
That
Don't
don't
immediately
immediately
too hard
too hard
writing,
writing,
but start
but
with
start with
easy, and then
easy, and
they
then they
try
try
to
to
um from the
from the
easy
easy
and writing involve
writing
familiar
about familiar
topics such as
such as
family,
family,
pets,
pets,
or school.
art school.
They like
They like
learning
learning
something they
something
really
they
like.
really like.
We
We
must
must
we must
we must
give them
give
to
them to
explore
explore
their
their
interest.
interest.
And then
And
next
then next
is
is
teaching with
teaching with
games,
games,
songs, and
songs,
then
and then
stories.
stories.
So
So
here,
here,
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
So here,
So here,
games make
games make
learning
learning
exciting.
exciting.
As
As
a teachers, young
teachers, young
learners,
learners,
we
we
should
should um,
had game
had
in
game
our
in our
activity in the
activity in the
class.
class.
Games make
Games make
learning
learning
exciting. For
exciting. For
example,
example,
guessing
guessing
games,
games,
matching games, or
matching games,
vocabulary
or vocabulary
bingo.
bingo.
Song.
Song.
So
So
next
next
is
is
um.
um
Here is the
here is the
benefits of
benefits
games
of
is
games is
increase
increase
motivation,
motivation,
encourage
encourage
participation, and then
participation, and then
improve
improve
vocabulary.
vocabulary.
So next
So
is
next
songs.
is songs.
Here
Here
is
is
improve
improve
pronunciation,
pronunciation,
and then
and
learn
then learn
vocabulary, remember
vocabulary,
sentence
remember sentence
pattern, and
pattern,
then make
and then
learning
make learning
enjoyable. So
enjoyable.
next
So
is we
next
can
is we
use
can
stories
use
in our
stories in
activity
our
in the
activity in
class.
the
They
class.
improve
They improve
listening. This
listening.
can
This
build
can build
imagination,
imagination,
introduce a
introduce
new
a new
vocabulary, and
vocabulary,
encourage
and encourage
discussion.
discussion.
This really
This
relate
really
to
relate
me
to
because
me because
in this
in this
morning I
morning I
had some
had some
project
project
from
from
Tersol.
Tersol.
So, the project is we must teach some kids or some people, and then we must use the method, and then what we study in TESOL, and then I apply the knowledge to my project. I just now I had Connie and then Lail. So we teach 10 children, and then they really like um doing moving and then repeat something that we we say, and then they like to explain, they like to story about their interesting, like in the morning we teaching about the birds and then the color, so they immediately story about their interesting in, like, oh miss, I had eat avocado in the morning. So we must to give them feedback and response, so they like to what to start talking, cause we give them what to say, the challenge, not the challenge, the place to try to their interest. So next is issues and TYL Indonesia, because I know Indonesia is really many of issue in TYL, not only in TYL, honestly, it's really many in education, honestly. So here is the first one is police, and then a curriculum. So curriculum change frequently, different um often change. Some school teach English from grade 1 while others start much later, because English is not compulsory in every primary school. Each school has different materials and teaching principle. Many schools also do not evaluate their English program regularly. So honestly, because not every school had English English program in their school, because I had asked some students, some young learners, in the morning, just now, so I asked there to do you all had English in the school, and then they answer, some of student answer yes, and then some student answer no. So next is teacher competency and training. Many primary schools do not have professional English teachers. Homerooms teacher often teach English without specialty EWL training, and then as a result, teaching sometimes become teacher centered instead of indicative. Teacher also need more workshop and professional development. So next is resource and educational infrastructure. Some school have limited teaching material, technology, and learning media. Even the storybook for the what teaching teach study had no facilities for the student. So In my opinion, teaching young
teaching
learners
young
is not
learners is
only
not only
about teaching
about
English,
teaching
it
English,
is
it is
also about
also about
helping
helping
children
children
enjoy
enjoy
learning with
learning with
confidence and
confidence and
communicative with
communicative with
others.
others.
A good
A good
TEYL teacher
CEYL
should be
teacher should be
creative,
creative,
patient, patient, and
patient,
caring
and
and
caring and
flexible.
flexible.
When
When
children are
children are
happy, they
happy,
learn
they
better.
learn better.
So,
So,
um,
um,
the
the
conclusion
conclusion
is
is
understand children
understand children
characteristics,
characteristics,
apply
apply
learner-centered
learner-centered
learning, choose
learning,
suitable
choose suitable
teaching method,
method,
teach
teach
all for
all
language
for language,
skill, use games, song,
game,
and then
song, and then
story,
story,
and then
and then
address
address
challenge
challenge
in
in
Indonesia
Indonesia
schools.
school.
I think
I
that's it
think
from
that it
my
from my
explanation about
explanation about
TEYL.
TYL.
So my name is
So
Sinta
my name is Sita
Simjoti.
Sriwijawati.
See you next
See you
time.
next time.
Wassalamualaikum
Wassalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.